fescar ma a chartin agus fáilte armh go Cluicheamaid far sin na dú a cúmal áin le Red Dead Redemption a gá agus a sin rilí cúmal áin bó faran de stad sin cynneomiad tuilleadh a Chluich far a stream I drásta. I gaiite go déimi sin nuair a rice sin a súil sláán mar go big an caran open world is go déimi cuit denna quests agus rutain mar sin na side quests. Ach sé míos na westerns a hán táiliú go bhfuil starna Quebec gus dul chuirst sin acu na déchticin bíad suas go jeirigh chuideach so mi dachas gan déiteh ann a mi héine déanú fiúir ris agus atá mi meach iad míos na westerns tíadach mus de háisigh mí stream a seo ba mi dalt mi chun an bútin caranis agus chud mi larach iad a seo Deadwood the Ultimate Collection box set ar an céhar not so ha mi déanú fiúid sin I chaiad ag ámir choracin a mi mór an a chláinte mi in Deadwood a channeam mi díobh iad a chaiad so hí sé mi in sin agus réite go nuair gibh fion éicin iad má chúlamh ha héin ga chlánig héin as an dunne ca mi dachas gan sochgríchas gan déite na chatal bí tríte catal na námathe seo a chud ma ha acamarí tchéigh ag ámar choracin bí a gibh cursan cos go bhfuile na rúisc ha carta gois hello fion ha carta gois a bhí is suya éidirfísaí agus iad uaireann ga chud so galas mi an a pripig na súla bí is acu cursan ach ma hiice náil seala mi gaibh ach channe mi dal go ein táisci sin ma as hí sin na ní sin le so dévad dal turas mi dheirigh well bheit sin fiochin rí fasca gain bó Studham agus fóna Pinkertons anja nó bheit mi díoch na chug dúlach na takast alert should be maybe yes okay so seo sin lá geabhraí cosach go measleach no sin mar listú okay agus mis mention go bhfuil coranneach go lecinn rí brín rí coranneach ar san side quest mar sin ein could you understand hen and the gag me in tuach sin tíach a sin minute
we're gonna starve to death up here, Mr. Morgan. We're okay. We have a few cans of food and a rabbit. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy.
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
We were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Okay,
wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving would be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest?
Always a speech, Charles.
Nobody's listening anymore.
Hello, Argentines. Come on, how? Gael and the Wild West. After la, well, China Gila. It's my hash of some
I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Started with
You're
Quebec.
joking.
Use a gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around. You're never too old to learn, I imagine. All right,
Okay.
let's head out.
Oh, Ghàidhlig.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. We'll head up this way. Find some higher ground.
Ja. Kom maar. Laat Bria gaan een beetje naar
Been
Keur.
a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, bringing John back in.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Wurst Dutch Nian. Shanner the Coolishing. Tell him, y'all. Sanasach. En je lust zo'n beetje naar cutscene. Certainly, not that you're loading screen around.
See some of the ground uncovered here. Come on, let's try this way. Keep your eyes peeled for movement. The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now, shh. Stay quiet.
Bizarre.
Hey, stop here a second. I see something. Oh. There's deer been here. Recently.
How can you tell?
How can you not? Let's walk it from here.
Okay, Charlotte.
You're gonna need the bow. Don't leave it on your horse. A gun will scare everything around.
Boa.
Keep down. Move quietly and slowly.
I think so. Maybe not.
Focus.
Man, stop it. Niet iets aan mij. Oh, eentje nog.
It's easier in the snow, but
Heb je een Cluiche?
you'll be able to track nearly as well in grass and woods.
Okay, we gaan niet echt kijken. Hallo Johan, ik ben Hazel. Chief and Dollar Panic. Sure, so I mean, we Cluiche, has the Cluiche Marvel Snap, Tirach and Gani, a Hulala, a Carter on Commode, a Yomi Uvas of him, so Shin Carter. A Havarication, we Cluiche, it is Steam Deck, Uncharted Lost Legacy. We share here at Gamma Uncharted, Hamir Cluiche Div, so Carter on Commode, so. Saturday van o'clock me Twitch and dag is gewillig gema. Ha, we
down there.
Charles can't think of Carter. He said,
get that bow out, Arthur. Aim for their head or neck. We want it good. Focus, Arthur. We need this meat. Pull back quite hard. You'll feel when it's too much.
Hyson has the third Carly guys, I'm sure. It'll be a gal.
Take the shot.
Is Cavella. Charles. So I am Cluiche Uncharted Lost Legacy. I quarter them. I guess I never really Cluiche mode on. Cluiche me big an wo long and gemma ud ha Camar Dark Souls. Dus wij kerstjaar ach I'm switching vele that of is like a Ruth gonna feel thing review Call of Dark Souls, Elden Ring or three vis me gangloich hami gidach if I can well I will call a come gidach vi a Cluiche Elden Ring. I had DLC achieved your son Elden Ring a so smooching and Cluiche me a dish with a fiction of that. It's could me edition key at this fiat ure heat I made cost get a gamission. Which can't me tell. Here got tool avail. Okay. Wolf.
Careful. This might be our only chance for a good meal.
Okay, Usa. Nope. Okay. Oh.
Now let's try for another.
Yeah. I shouldn't have started if I mean dude. How is Gavilla good mode or something could be written if I can feed on the game shop. So tiki makers on a shin cut that out come out the eligible you can point and shoot Hannah of the given an illa. Okay. Commit a newbie. Nila Gishiga J and Putan Hakarkum Putti Dimension Dear Check Heiss That is Gresham the helm. Okay, I'm here 14 years Gach Putan Can you see it up over the Kidikisha so it's in a lot Chile? Charlem shouldn't have point and click. Yeah. I'm spending about Rutgen Karen satisfying being a daffodge. Hanyon of Vidal Ettera. Oh.
What are you doing?
Okay, Charlotte. méad bhí cluiche be an Sniper Elite 5 ar ha má bhí mar ag Nazis. Agus ha sin okay, hneal is an cymryd mini sian ha sin farach gyn cara mar seo ha gydri fi cwr amach Usa is she as with big arster? No. Merk sin chu mé bhí Cluiche mór an I dhéimi sin éile
Well done.
That's
That's all we can carry.
Boft.
The horses won't be able to carry any more.
Sin.
Leave the others.
Oh,
Okay, you pick up one, I'll get the other.
Níl
You sure your hand's okay?
Fion na hen.
It'll be fine once I get it on my shoulder. Okay, I'll go grab the other one.
Hello, Fion. Hello. Fion díadach a Cluiche. Ma hice nál seala mi gaibhe. Cavel an teach.
I'm gonna get this packed on my horse. A kind of man Red Dead Redemption convicted and fetted each was such a big and check out and he's mentioned let's go show fiach in review with bigness natere kieliche and a he with bigness slutty here. Are you gonna put that on your horse? Heerlijk, how goed sassy. Right. Mind your horse. Can we use one of these? Sure. Okay. Will you heerlijk.
Ready to head back when you are.
Come on then. Let's head back.
Okay. Rash le Charloch.
Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
You found him.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
Yeah, it's easier when they ain't shooting back.
I've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck's finally on the turn.
Sin choffeed, sin díach ar bhí ar a bhain seo fiús ag sin fíorio chealaíon agus an gceanna fiúid hí jifid áireneochgan éiscin.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? Still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan. You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater? We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. A lot of mouths to feed.
And that girl from the ranch now, too.
No, I have seen
Not sure she would.
In her eye.
Right.
You would,
Okay,
too.
let's have it on him.
She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
So it was O'Driscoll's you ran into there?
Yeah. Last thing we was expecting.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months. I guess because they've been over this way.
Yeah. I've heard a lot of talk about them.
Well, we've been scrapping over scores with them for years. Big gang. Nasty sons of bitches. Their leader,
Hynny
calm,
céanam ach
and Dutch
na
go way back.
háirneachcin bó réid
Not in a
bhain
good way.
seoigh a
Proper
fíor
blood feud.
jo
So I
chealaíonn
heard.
sa dhéime sin. Céanam háast bhí tearna isteach go Mexico ann agus inne José González a Cluich na hairteanna sin. Chuirt sin commód.
Watch out! Bear up ahead. Let's see if we can find another way around. You must be real hungry. Stay well back. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep all winter.
Bheith sin dal I dhéachin bhí sa feis né a né I bheith hainse.
Cut up here, off the trail.
Okay, Harley.
Go easy, boy. We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that?
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here.
Horse bunny.
Sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you
It's
might
kinda
have moved on by now.
Daimh na
You
seaad
want me to move on?
agus
No.
neach.
No, not at all. I know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch. You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair.
Cús Arab sa
Most you
Afghan
do.
san neadach sin.
For a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well,
Ma ddíadach fadach gin
we need
go
you
big
now.
gaime seán na sínsinniche
More than ever.
na Russian Cluiche mar Charloch an anse.
How long have you been with these boys?
Go
Why ain't you run off?
Me? Oh, 20 years, something like that. Since I was a boy.
20 years?
Boy,
Yeah.
on a vowing
Don't
now
mean
Growloch.
raise.
G.A. Packhurst.
Other things, him and Hosea.
I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
Oh, Arstead. Arstead. Carriage.
How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
I hope they all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once. Hucked me faster than a bull. Won't take nobody but him. Good job.
Still the movie a Mullig and Yesh. Ashman, Shashin.
I'm gonna hitch
That's
time
like
over
you.
here.
Brought some food back, boys. Whoa. Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. Thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
Well. Just drop it down in here. What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I
feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid
He
you.
loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
See, you got on just fine. Charles is a wonder. Have a drink, boys. You earned it. Jesus, what is that? Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
Yes. Seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
You'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skin that one you dumped on the floor there.
Na cuairt smuoingead an a inching developers scientific and scarlet DLC good of Pàirt like my venue listen no scale. I was some man had it
Come on,
it is
don't make me
heel
skin
shot
both
of
these.
ruach so putting I've a flach with this and I la froig na missions na bhean na chalai yeah chach me gavel wish ganin bethe a siar riad as a suyo go seo.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these or sell these in pretty much any town if you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain.
Can you have seen your dollar on the
Well,
balla?
if you catch anything else,
You stuck to
you
the
bring
vein,
it to
sure.
me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
Ashmahan. Okay. It's been ilak in the end of home here.
Up with you boys because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks
let's
miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party. Probably. That funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Como Driscoll's needing punching. Hard! You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
You sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Como Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
On Talmount
You think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah!
Okay.
Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. You said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this for their planet.
Dolly Jungs i träne. Öret var klart med det. Det nästa här coffee. Vi ska inte get a coffee out. Nach nu visst du canting coffee. cholach mar go bhfuil tíach premium coffee ach ha ha coffee no coffee acin son Cluicheamaid inist sydd yn gael larach I chyd fa cwyd mi cael mis mention on sa video mi erich so mi di'r dal larach sio cwyd mi sy'n chat so mae ha dynia son ha hyrst cwyd acw sy'n al mae galaf gyda'r son dau larach taich gychwmawr channel so mae ha sy'n son erich at y chwyd rein sin far an nuing ach cwydioch canémi sy'n agus bí ach
What's that? Tracks. Horses, quite a few
erich
of
at
them.
the Yosin hid gan nacheme a chluiche sin navius
As far as
agus
I
sé
can tell,
the last
the
of
only
us
fools out here are us and them.
so ha
They
uiach
must
as
be
the last
this
of us
way.
fan of Mungurst
You good, Dutch?
Of
ha
course.
sin
Listen,
Janu
I know you don't think much of my ideas recently,
stream
but
sy'n
this is
a
the
van
right move.
son Red Dead Redemption yeah
Okay.
so mis mention Jan sin
You know
da
I got
gaan
your
nog
back.
the streams are from the last of us
I
shouldn't
learned
plan
a
a
long
hack
time
you
ago
gonna
that you
head it
hit Como Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can forget. What he did to Annabelle, I can't do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this'll end.
Damn right, boss.
if Anna Gershon am here to be a levy
See that smoke?
Dim have
Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so we must be close.
ik heb een keer last van dat get show yeah ham hier in een trein ga je het schort erom
Hold up here.
gemoed Bia iets nog een mensen dollar as gaan gemme
Look out.
as jij een trein ga je het
Alright, gentlemen.
touch
This is it.
or aan het doi Leonard command
goddamn
blue
ready.
Ready, Dutch.
skillach een gemme
Now,
ach va corridor
Mr.
te
Morgan
gaan
and I,
het ja er
we're
een
gonna head
dat
up
niet
here a little.
had
See if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here.
my shit
Let's
is
go.
spoiler en hier ga ga je het met weg machine stier gaan in gaat er om gemoor
We got this covered, Arthur. Go with Dutch.
gaat er om gemoor ze hier allemaal gaan ik kindjach me een nu de van mijn kleintje in de neachen sfeer hal Pedro Pascal agus Bella Ramsey ach ja gaan ik kindjach ach gaat er om gemoor is van ik ga het gachach in de hand gemaakt agus weet je go rit ra buing gaif janu na siad ach rein dat chorit na siar na rein gemme kuach so mis men gwel choach á net a daú Nílas dé leis controller an ja so channing go bíach a chaiad mis ast cur nach heú dé le nu bí stalt in uitgaan Ceall fada ach drasta ha mi levé one last stop le Casey McQuiston chennealach met 3 capital in Iraq ach am sa 4 va ha dunne as eolchi as jalige is McQuiston skas il jaar red, white and royal blue is geniaal meer sin a levig tíach Gaan nu die ga thorstorm heen. Jaren leven. Wie heen. Het Chluich riel. Fuse Chluich riel nach in 4. I ga one last stop a quarter gemór. Agus leave me jari le rein at I kissed shower wheeler. Scorchin rum gudrock. Is ca vele hula dinja. Wel mi sé er al toe al. Weet je veel. Is wat sin, ja, tjirach a Cluiche Uncharted. I mean, it'd be kayat in the film in Indiana Jones. Sa kutch written ans the film in sin. Ha haast come on watch it. Agus sa kutch written ans the film in sin. We gaan ik severe nach de rasie het goma. It didn't age well. Oh. Right, mirrored King Cabin. The gang was abandoned. Okay, well. Gepudding got in Luddock. Ach, die het al. En wie smuntje. Nis, han jou me er zo'n G-mes. Ja, nu. If je kakam. Ach, en wie smuntje in gewelle, wie. Ik kiege wire controller show. Gaan controller show. Ounce fisi ach nu wist me Cluiche. Cluicheamaid. Ach. Ja, weet je gerechen is stuiver gewel. Where's the dull cat? Je controller.
There they are.
Shashi.
That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so. Yeah, that's him.
Jesus, ja. Oké, het brein. Ach.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy.
No.
I mean, Rachlachtje die sniper elite cook.
Seem to be. Should we go get him?
No. Colm can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. Come on, let's get down there.
Juist me, hè?
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
Gewel.
You boys be ready to pick them off from up there.
You got it, Dutch.
Gewel. Voortgedaan level en shaw. Mui. Or a tracking shot guy, but who
Grab
cow.
that repeater and let's get moving.
Giracha. Do you know me? Carbine.
Good. Come on, let's go.
Giracha darach, wat er weg ging. Genieel kussen der weg ging en ja, mijn giracht al havelig. Oh, gaan jullie nog savelig? Gaan we eet?
It's easiest to take the same path down as
Bill
Bill
Micah.
Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Colm, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now come on.
Kerst me ha. Leinigen eterialigje voor Dutch na weg ere teuven nu. Ach zo'n het eigen maar ha Dutch ma het dunje of jallig aan het toy. Gaan jullie een prins giet allemaal mee een bergen ja ruten zijn arsing ook hij kan in. Oh, have you lost faith in me? Hij kan jij ook maar person te go má lua agus ha is ag a hain chanin go bhile go má charismatic
It's steep here.
clach go sin sin tíadach má bhar hain ar Dutch go go seo agus am is mention go big bhí idir Ghàidhligte muidirrámí a Red Dead a thu nach Chluich so má ha gine nach chéléad RDR a thu nach Chluich Jéfud beachcan mí in Dutch fi sin ins nach a chláinte cha cam mí na ha this an a Red Dead a thu
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running,
Hush. Let's just get down there first.
sí bheit mi díach rá íoscí na beráide ba mi fiach in bhí sios anna he sin
Stay low.
get low get low get low get low
Come on, follow me.
sin na mi teanú Dutch íst micromanaging cléimar nach
Okay, let's get in cover.
Haneach sin Haneach sin oh no it is
So. what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
fómh
All right, boys. Kill these sons of bitches. Kill every last one of these.
okay kick them out oh yeah Dutch action so come in okay like a bit I should not so early.
Look out! We got more of those cabins to the right. Take out those bastards in the cabins. Still got some of those cabins. Oh, damn it, they're still hiding in those cabins.
I think that's all of them.
Search the
that.
bodies. Strip everything we can from them.
Okie after uur stappen.
Of course not. Colm doesn't give a damn about his men. All he cares about is numbers. If you can shoot a gun and ride a horse and kill without thought, you're in.
Ciadach
How
mar
long
hain
some of
Dutch.
you have been with me? I imagine Colm doesn't even know half the names of these.
Yeah. Genial erop sa ietsje van het Dutch.
Heads up, boys! We got more coming in from the forest.
Ja.
Shit, there's a lot of them.
right.
Clear out.
Okay. Wheel, item wheel, dead eye tonic, and release Ellie. It shouldn't have rained me. Oh, shouldn't. Okay. Ze gaan er loot terug. We kunnen werk ammo. Als je een female or gehad fast get a Jedi gaan hen. Harami was nog heen. Zie gaan ik accurate. Skippelde starren. Laten we Jedi kan ik heel lezen. Klacht is niet als je nagraag. Oké. Ai. Right. Nog voor laat had je. Right, misschien zijn. Ik heb hier gekeren.
Arthur, get over here.
Amichin, hier. Doe je de half Dutch?
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left.
Okay.
All right, man, quick. Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can. Let's go.
Ja. Graag. Sigaar.
What we got here? Perfect. Plans.
Broei gladdig. Sigaarille. Is Jay Hastaya, ja.
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill? Looks fine. Smells good. Come on.
Ekkelig.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob.
En Jos,
Of
dus
Mr.
Sinead
Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving.
Oké, kaartje
All right,
voor
let's
een
get
trainer.
out of here.
Ja,
Proud
we
of
zijn
you
in
boys.
Chile gaan gaan.
All of you. Not a man down.
Good work, fellers.
Not
Fellers.
bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Kaartje willen trainen.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest.
Zie je nog maar de
But we're
hulp in
gonna
je.
stay a step ahead of them.
Yeah.
Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again.
Daar is een riest. Oh, wolf.
All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground.
Okay. I mean, really een dag is kwestie net al de jongens die het trainen en draasten. Na geen $100 als je een kampen. Tikkie mee, maar haak je nu dollar als je een kampen. Ik ga eens best willen te beginnen die vieren, ja, hierheen.
Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Colm?
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got it.
Wel, hij is net al. Ja, kampen, jammer. Groot maar. Chlechtige lasoch. Biak mi vi. Bekan nas aske edus an generous way.
Stay back!
Where are you going?
Shit! No!
You're coming with me.
Just let me go, come on.
Hackett?
Now,
I'm no use to you, really.
So potent hefk. En just du.
You got me mixed up with someone else.
Ja, snel gaan we. Fast, very fast.
what's your name, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy. Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please.
Ja,
Don't do this, please.
Shit, really. Come back on my daughter. Dat is kunnen niet even. Ik in de schade zo groot.
Please, mister.
You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
Oh, take it easy. You're gonna break my ribs. I don't want to die, mister. Just let me go, please.
Are you trying to test me,
Yellow.
is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay. Okay.
That's 2 bones right there.
Harsh. Russian dog gaan je je wagen. Oh, dat.
Yeah, that's it, boy. There, boy. Yeah, okay, boy. You're all right, boy. Right, boy?
Dag is nog chic. Beurtje naar de wagen. Matinale nach Kolasbush. So yeah, hey.
Here we are, you sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys.
Gaan we haar gieren.
Don't hurt me, please.
No, don't worry. They're real nice.
Yeah, okay.
You found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister! I hate that fella!
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
A few days later, began lying in the station. How could he end of that?
Been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams.
I thought the Dutch and Ashlingen. Who the hell is Leviticus Cornwall?
Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here, then? I owe you. Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking, we could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on.
What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we have's in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No.
Cheerio
Listen,
and
Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob. Everyone ready? All right, let's head out.
Agus stati sin anna hin san an teach gin sa agus an natheach gin ní sin mar a bheith dúil train job hí sin mar a héad rein Tain go mór san a bhí am chuteachar san stream ile agus go dachas go bhfuil míos nó westerns a cart a raibh seo go bhfuil ríist na déitchin san Stornoway Quebec má ha gine acu san dal a gaichgin ha tín a na heachgin rilí hatáiseach so má ha se bhana Stornoway tupad bhada op the ein den éid an International Glasgow nó má ha se feiscear na heachgin sin seo chom acu tealamh Chluich úr sa Ghàidhlig aichgin ach gan nachrib far an Chluich sin tuilleadh reddead a gá a mi dachas go bhfuil se cum sláán agus sábhailteas na láin áirithe seo agus gan nachrib cuma bharmh a Chluiche. Cheers and drasta.